Hi, my name is Justin Odisho, and in this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this sped up recap sequence effect. So let's say you're working on a project and you have a sequence going, you've got a bunch of cuts and clips in order, and as a sort of transition or end of a clip sequence, you can do this effect by simply grabbing a selection of clips. So these are all the ones that you want to recap. So it doesn't have to be everything, it can just be like some part of the sequence, or in this case, we only have 9 or so clips here. So I'm just going to highlight them all. And a couple ways that you can duplicate all of these is either by holding Option, clicking and dragging them out again, or you can press Command C and then move the timeline and Command V to paste them. Or alternatively, you can always take the whole sequence from the project media panel, and you can tell that it's the sequence based on that little sequence symbol there, and drag that out once more, and that'll give you all your clips as well. Now, once you have your sequence dragged out, I'm going to highlight them all, right click, and nest that sequence. And this is how we're going to be able to speed them all up at once. So I actually don't need the audio, so I'm going to delete that in my case. And there's a few different ways that we can speed this up. So we can simply right click, speed duration, and here we can either increase the percentage to be anything we want, like up to 10,000%. So now that'll give us a 1 second final result. Or you can actually type in a duration. So if I wanted it to just be 2 seconds or 3 seconds, I can type in a final result. Additionally, if you wanted this to go backwards, you could click reverse speed. That's just another touch or tip if you want. Or you can always use the rate stretch tool, which is in the toolbar, or you can press R on your keyboard to activate it. And in that way, you can actually just drag the clip in, and that will speed it up as you drag. And you can see here 1,700% as I keep going. If I zoom in, you can see the percentage of speed change. So if you did want it to fill a certain pocket, you can use the rate stretch tool to kind of get that perfect result. So ultimately, what that'll do, if I press V, grab my move tool, put it at the end of a sequence or something, is as soon as the sequence ends, we'll hit this kind of sped up recap clip, which can be cool, like I said, as a transition, or just to splice in between sequences or segments, or to cut to black afterwards. There's lots of different ways that you can use this, but the main trick is that you can speed up multiple selections at once by nesting them together in a sequence. And not only that, but you can also go on to do other things like apply the same black and white color effect on this or something like that if you wanted. You can just apply it over the whole nested sequence. Or you can even add keyframes on top of this, like adding a scale keyframe and then slowly zooming in throughout the sequence from the beginning to end. And now we're zooming through those cuts. But that's this basic tutorial on how to create these kind of sped up recap sequence portions. If you enjoyed, definitely check out my channel for more, subscribe to stay tuned for all my new videos, and check out my website, justinodisho.com/shop, for Premiere Pro effects, presets, and transitions, and different footage packs which I sell on there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.